In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay in Agoda without using a credit card. If you've been wondering about alternative payment methods when booking your next getaway or flight, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the official Agoda website. Agoda offers fantastic deals, free cancellations, and access to over 2 million hotels worldwide. Once you're on the website, the first thing you need to do is sign in. You'll see an option to sign in using Google, which is a quick and secure way to access your account. Click on Sign in with Google and follow any prompts to connect your account. This will ensure you have a seamless experience while you're browsing and booking. Once you're signed in, it's time to head back to the Agoda homepage. This is your starting point for searching. As you focus on your travel plans, think about the specifics of what you're looking for, whether it's a hotel, a flight, or perhaps a package deal. Next, locate the search bar on the homepage. This is where you'll input all your travel details like your destination, dates, and any other preferences you might have. Once you've entered all the necessary information, hit the search button. This will bring up a list of options tailored to your needs. With your results in front of you, scroll through until you found the perfect flight or accommodation. Once you've made your decision, the next step is to click on Book Now. This action will redirect you to a page where you can review the details of your booking, ensuring everything aligns with your travel plans. After confirming all the details, it's time to move on to the payment process. On the payment page, you'll see various options laid out for you. Since you're looking to pay without a credit card, you'll need to select a different method. Agoda allows for multiple alternative payment methods, providing flexibility based on your location and currency. For this tutorial, we're focusing on Gcash, a popular and convenient digital wallet option, especially for users in the Philippines. To proceed, click on the option to select payment method, then choose Gcash from the available options. By selecting Gcash, you're opting for a secure and straightforward payment process that doesn't involve credit cards. Simply follow the prompts to complete your transaction. This method provides a hassle-free way to finalize your booking while giving you peace of mind. And that's it, you've now learned how to book on Agoda without using a credit card. This method is perfect for those looking to keep their booking process simple and straightforward. Happy travels, and make sure to explore Agoda's extensive range of options for your next adventure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips and tutorials.